In this video, we will see how to start with the SDMX constructor. We will see the installation, the software's interface, including the menus. To start installing the SDMX constructor, we need to download its installation file from the ILO's website. This is the website from where we will download the installation file. Do not get confused with the DSD constructor written over here. It is how SDMX constructor was known earlier. On this website, we come to the install area here. We click on the install button to go to this form where it asks for certain details from the person who is downloading the installation file. We will enter our details and then click the submit button. So I start with my details. The details include name, email, and the organization. And you can see there is an installation file which just downloaded here. Double-clicking on it will start the installation process. The installation process may start with this notice on your screen. You click on more info to see the option of running it anyway. We do this and then we wait for the installation to kickstart. Here is the notification asking us to start the installation process. We click on the install button and we wait for the installation to finish. It's not a huge file, it's 124 MB only. Once it gets installed, we will see its interface and then we will go through the menu of the software. So installation is finished. Now you see this another notice from the Windows. We click on more info and run it, and soon we will see the interface of the SDMX constructor. And here it is, the SDMX constructor. This is how it looks like. On our right top here, we see the general function menu. It includes reset, support, locale, registry. Here on this side, we see the editor menu. Here we have code list, concept scheme, table modeler, DSD, data flow, content constraint, agency scheme, category scheme, and MSD. Below this menu, we have the editor ribbon menu. And if we click on a particular menu item on top, that is in the editor menu, the editor ribbon menu changes accordingly. Now on this side here, these two buttons, they constitute what we call preview and export menu. And below these menu items, we have the working area of the tool. It is divided into two main parts. First, the left pane, which serves as a space to hold the artifacts list. The other side is designated to show relevant details. For example, we can view here the code list from the ILO stat by selecting ILO stat in the load from registry drop down option here. By double clicking on, let's say, age, we can see on the right side pane the relevant details. For some other artifacts, such as concept scheme, an additional pane appears here. This pane works like a pool for artifacts. We can drag the artifacts back and forth between the pool area and the pane on the right. For example, if I double click on the ILO stat concepts here, its details appear here. And if required, we can move concepts from here to the pool area like this and back. By following these simple steps, we are now ready to hit the ground running with SDMX Constructor. Happy exploring!